Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can delete Google Maps history on your device. So we have to start from the opening the Google Maps, and how you can see I have New York in recent searches. So we have to now go to the profile icon and go to the settings. Then choose Maps History and just click here to delete it. Now choose the time range, and how you can see we still have a New York here. So we have to now turn it off, the Google Maps, from the background apps, and open the app info. Then go to the storage usage and clear data. Configure it by delete. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.